Panic and fear in Trenchtown, West Kingston tonight after 2 women were murdered in the area. A man is also battling for life. The shooting happened 3 hours apart in what many are describing as a reprisal in an area now under a state of public emergency. Kirk Wright visited the area earlier today.
The 2 women who were attacked and killed live almost directly across from one another on 4th Street. Tamara Phipps was first gunned down outside her gate. Now this is where Tamara Phipps was sitting along with 4 other women about midnight when she was singled out and shot. There is still the presence of bloodstains here, but this killing only shows the total disregard for the security forces, the police and soldiers who are stationed at the top of this street, 4th Street. 3 hours later, in what's believed to be a reprisal, Shonake Banks and her partner were attacked and shot inside their house. It took place in full view of 2 minors, a 7 and an 8-year-old. Now, a good check of the door shows no sign of forced entry. Yet, the gunmen were able to gain access to the house where the woman and her partner were sleeping. Let me take you to the bedroom where both persons were when the gunmen pounced. This is the bed on which they were sleeping when the gunmen entered the house and shot both of them. Now we understand that after they were shot, the woman came to another section of the room, to the bathroom, where she sought refuge and then collapsed. Mr. Banks' partner sustained life-threatening injuries and remained in hospital.
My daughter, man, is not a gunman. He work down a ton of holes in our furniture store, dust down furniture. My daughter work over one shop across the road, that's her name Leroy. Everybody know my daughter. My daughter na war, but my next daughter, somebody na war. She come out, come cry peace. My daughter na in a bagger. I don't know why them kill my daughter. The
mother of Missy Banks says after the men killed her daughter, they stole pots, plates, money, and a 25-pound gas cylinder from the house. Shaunake's dad is now walking around the community in a daze, saying Shaunake Banks was fearful of a reprisal and that the gunmen would have targeted another woman. The killings have left many women in the community fearful, as some of them have relatives involved in the ongoing community gang war. While in the community, I counted 5 women who have packed up and left. Several others say they too will be leaving. Now, the security forces stepped up their presence in the area after the killings, but that's no consolation for the women who say they are the ones who are being targeted now. They tell me, after the security forces leave the area, anything goes. There has been tension in Western Kingston, which is now under a state of public emergency due to gang violence. Residents of Trenchtown say they thought the war would have ended after a peace meeting weeks ago.
4th Street bottom and top and 4th Street top in a war. So them say over there up at the top, now go down at the bottom, and over there at the bottom, now come up at the top.
So your daughter was going by the bottom?
Yeah, my daughter passed, I go down at the bottom because she work down at the bottom down at one shop, so she have to pass going at the bottom.
Members of the security forces are stationed on Collie Smith Drive at the top of 4th Street.
Them is no use. Them come here, but them a look woman. Them a walk a look woman when night come and day come. So them is no use down on 4th Street bottom. Them is no use at all. So I prefer them lift up and go on. Them is no use.
Don't you think if they weren't
and
here...
If them never did they here, my daughter only dead.
How comes though? Don't you think though if they weren't here, there'd be more crime in the area?
Crime I go and see them we because them go over people, then go on our next street, go kick off people door, take over them for take out and kill and whatsoever.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.